Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Jaguar F-Pace R-Sport. It's an all-wheel drive. The LED headlights don't really flicker like that to the human eye. It's just the refresher of the camera that makes it look that way. Your painted alloy rims. This one does have a tow package. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. There's a black leather, gray stitching, and there are heated seats here in the back and additional power supplies. I can give you a shot of that dual sunroof. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll go ahead and turn this down so that you can hear me better. Give you a shot of the VIN. Kind of in an awkward place on this vehicle. So there it is, but there it is again right there. This does have a Meridian sound system. There's your driver presets, your window and lock controls. There's your driver's seat. Go ahead and hop in. Oh, there is a metallic look to these panels as well. I'm going to go ahead and turn this down so that you can hear me better. There we go. All right, you'll be able to see this a lot better if I close this. Oh yes, much better. Okay, you see that it has 32,979 miles on this vehicle. You also have speed shifters on the steering wheel, along with your cruise control, your infotainment center toggles as well. Come over here, you've got your stereo, which you can see the sources, AM, FM, and Sirius XM and Bluetooth. Then you also can connect your phone. Here's your outside temperature. Your inside, you do have heated and cooled seats. Right now I have mine on cool. So you come back and you bounce over here. You have your navigation. Okay, you also have your CD port, and you can also place your comfort controls in sync as well. Come down here and there's your shifter knob, your terrain settings, park brake, cup holder, glove compartment with additional power supplies, another glove compartment over here. Okay, that about wraps it up for this Jaguar. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It had hail damage, so there was obviously all cosmetic damage. We're able to get everything all fixed up without any issues. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.